How I built a $100,000 a month OnlyFans creator from scratch. Everybody thinks that these girls making 50 to 100 grand a month, some of them are even touching $1 million a month on OnlyFans. They're just getting lucky because they're hot. Guys, really, that's not what's happening here, okay? There's actually psychology behind this. You got attention, branding, marketing, emotion, connection, funnels, consistency. There's really a lot that goes in behind the scenes. Most girls, they completely misunderstand the game. They think it's business that's about posting ass pictures. Like, it's really not. It's about attention, okay? OnlyFans is not the business. Attention is the business. OnlyFans is just where the money gets collected, okay? And the girls that are making real money, they understand this better than anybody else, okay? Like, the internet has changed. The world has changed, guys. And you don't need a Hollywood production anymore. You don't need modeling agencies anymore. You don't need permission anymore. Literally, a girl with an iPhone can literally build $1 million business now. Most girls, like, they still fail because they're just lazy, inconsistent, and they're emotional. You know, they got zero strategy and they think, oh, you know, I'm hot, I'm attractive, people should subscribe. Like, no. Being hot literally gets you attention for like 3 seconds. Keeping the attention is the real skill. And that's the difference, that most of these girls just post randomly. Then they probably disappear for 4 days, go on a trip, then they come back, disappear again, and post random shit with no niche, no personality, no emotion, connection, no branding, and then they wonder why like nobody cares about them. It's because they're forgettable. Like, the girls making the real money have a lane. Like, either they're the gym girl, the girl next door, luxury girl, the tattoo girl, like whatever it is, okay? They lean into that shit. Average looking girls, they make more money than these super bad IG models on the trips, right? It's because they know branding, okay? And all these creators, like, they have a vibe, they have a personality, they have a lifestyle, and instantly you know who they are. Like, that's branding. They think they're selling content, but really no. You're selling emotion, attention, escape, validation. Guys, porn is free. That's why fans spend money on specific girls. Like, they want that connection. The back end is where all that money's made. Making that fan really feel important, making them feel. Another thing, most creators completely screw that up. They screw up the consistency, and consistency is literally everything online. The algorithm nowadays, it's gonna reward consistency. Like, the fans reward consistency as well, and you're also gonna make a lot more money. Most girls wait until they feel motivated, and that's why they stay broke. Like, the girls making serious money, they treat this like a real business. They got plans, they got content days, they schedule out the shoots, they build the systems. So like, they plan content days, they schedule the shoots out, they build systems, because systems scale. Every platform, like, it has a different job too, okay? TikTok's for attention, Instagram's for lifestyle and status, right? And Twitter's for the personality and like really that deeper connection. And OnlyFans is just for the monetization. That's the funnel, that's the play right there, guys. And most creators just randomly post everywhere with no actual strategy, and then, you know, eventually, if you really understood this game, like, you would stop operating like a creator, okay? You would start operating like a company. You would have the editors, the automations, you would schedule shit out, you would know your analytics, what's the retention rate, what systems do I got? Because the biggest creators, they know that shit. They're not just girls posting anymore. Like, they're actual businesses, and that's the real game. The dark truth that no one really wants to admit is the internet rewards people who knows how to control their attention. Like, that's the game. Not OnlyFans, not social media, attention. The people who understand human psychology, branding, emotion, connection, and marketing, those are the people that win. And the people that, you know, to start posting randomly with no strategy, like, they stay broke forever. The internet changed, guys. Like, the rules have changed, and most people still haven't figured that shit out yet. But if you understand that right now, that attention, you can build almost anything online and make as much money as you want.